Hello, Christine Halsey here, and we're going to look at measuring series circuits and using this potentiometer on the breadboard. Now we looked at multisim. So here you can see I've got the potentiometer all by itself, and I'm using the two left-hand leads off of it. There's 3 legs. So if I use the middle and the left, I get half the a portion of the resistance. If I use the middle and the right, I get a portion of the resistance. If I use the left and the right, I get all 10K. So I have to use the middle and either the right or the left side, and here I'm using the left side. I've got my meter set up ready to measure the resistance, and I'm trying to set it for 2.2K. was our first setting, and you can see I'm right at 2.3. It's going to be hard. It's real temperamental. Okay, I think I got it set about as close to 2.2K as I can get it. Now I'm going to put it in my circuit and complete the circuit. Okay, you can see here I've used those same 2 that I set up, the left and the middle, and I have my 1.2K on the left, the 2.2K on the right, and then the 1K completing the circuit. It's going to go to ground. Right now I've got it measuring my total resistance, and you can see I'm coming in at 7.69 kilo ohms. And next I've set up to measure the applied voltage. To start with, we're using 10 volts, and I'm on the variable 18 for power and ground, and then I use this knob and adjust it until it sits right as close to 10 volts as I can get it. Now to measure the total current in the circuit, I've turned off the power. I made a break between my 1K resistor and ground, and I've filled the meter in with that break. Red lead more towards power, black lead more towards ground. I've moved my lead over to milliamps and set my adjustment for milliamps. Now I'm going to turn my supply back on and measure my total current, and I'm getting right at 1.29, 1.3 milliamps. Okay, so in the next example they ask us to increase the potentiometer up to 4.7K, recalculate the total current, and now it's down to 980 microamps. Okay, so I'm just going to leave my open in my circuit, and I'm going to come over here and adjust. I pulled the pot out and brought it back over here so I have it separate. And I'm measuring the resistance again on the outer left leg and the middle leg. And I want to get to as close to 4.7K as I can. Okay, once I get it there, then I'm going to pull it out, put it back in my circuit. Turn off my power. Should have done that before. Flip back over to, actually, yeah, microamps will work because I'm about to be measuring microamps. Plug my lead back in and turn my power back. Oh. Guess I gotta fill in the break that I made here. That would help. Fill in the break. Turn on my circuit. 981 microamps. Okay, you're going to repeat those 2 and increase the voltage to 12 volts. So increase it to 12. I'd measure it at 4.7, then pull it out, reset it to 2.2, put it back in, and measure your total current.